Welcome to Mount Rushmore National Memorial. It is not a national park, it's a memorial. And it's this way.
Okay.
Here we are, Mount Rushmore National Memorial. The faces, the four faces. Washington and Lincoln is the one I can recognize. Jefferson second after Washington. Roosevelt. Oh, okay, Roosevelt have a mustache. Washington, Jefferson, Roosevelt, and Lincoln. As we get closer, there are all the flags here. មកដល់ចិត្តទៅសិតតាតុងជ័យមកទៅមានតុងជ័យ50សម្រាប់50ខេត្តរបស់អាមេរិក I'm guessing it's 50 flags here. The 50 states. And below the flags has the states. នេះ Kentucky នៅក្រោមតុងជ័យគឺមានខេត្តហ្នឹងដែលគេហៅថាគេដាក់ចូលក្នុងប្រទេសទាំងមូលហ្នឹងហៅថា state admitted to union មិនដំបង union មិននឹងកាត់ជា United States គេហៅ union. So Kentucky នៅកណ្ដាលនេះ
1792 15
ចឹង Kentucky state លេខ15បានចូលទៅក្នុង union ជាមួយគេជាមួយឯងហើយនឹង Kentucky flag នៅកណ្ដាលនេះតុងជ័យ Kentucky គេហៅថា Commonwealth of Kentucky អញ្ចឹងទាំងអស់មានតែមាន50តុងជ័យហ្នឹង state មួយគេមាន date that admitted to the union.
What is happening? That was my problem. My friend.
ហើយខ្ញុំក៏មិនស្គាល់តុងជ័យទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងដែរស្គាល់តែ Kentucky ហ្នឹង South Dakota Tennessee នេះនៅខាងត្បូង Kentucky បន្តិចហើយមកមួយឆ្នាំក្រោយឡើងដែរដាក់ទី16 Kentucky ទី15ហើយមិនដឹងគេរៀបតាមលេខរៀងតុងជ័យនេះមិនទេព្រោះមិនថាអ្នកណាមកមុនអីទេតាមលេខរៀងតាមលេខ alphabet order. Here's V and W last ចឹងតាម alphabet order from the entrance.
or maybe like third. So yeah, I want to she's interested in my
Hey, this is view from the Grand View Terrace. គេមើលចំពីមុខបណ្ដោយកន្លែងនេះព្រឹកមិញយើងឃើញពីជាហៀងចេញពីនេះទៅយើងបើកឡានចុះបន្តទៅទៀតហ្នឹងគឺឃើញពីម្ខាងទៀតនៅខាងក្រោមក៏មានមួយជាន់ទៀត There's another level down there and theater setting. There's elevator on both sides to go down. ខាងក្រោមមានអីដែរប៉ុន្តែយើងអត់ចុះទៅមើលខាងក្រោមទេមានចដាវយន្តចុះទាំងឆ្វេងទាំងស្ដាំយើងគ្រាន់តែមើលពីនេះបានហើយបន្តដំណើរទៅទៀតនេះគឺមិនមែនជារូបចម្លាក់ដែលធំជាងគេឆ្លាក់ពីថ្មនៅស្រុកអាមេរិកទេតិចទៀតយើងទៅមើលមួយទៀតហៅ Crazy Horse បានធំជាងប៉ុន្តែធ្វើអត់តាន់រួចWell, we were right up there. We didn't see the steps right in front of us. I was too short to see the steps in front of me. I mean the not the steps but the bleachers. School field trip. នេះគឺប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្រមិនតែគាត់មកមើលឲ្យស្អាតទេ Not only it's beautiful here, it's also history.
Roosevelt closed his eye.
No way.
He blinked.
He blinked. No way. They capture while they do ពងឲ្យឆ្លាក់គាត់
Yeah.
ប្រព្រឹត្តភ្នែកទៅបាត់ភ្នែក
Yeah. Watching this, looking that way, adjusting that way, making that.
Are they in order?
No.
I was wrong about the 50 flags. There are actually altogether 56 because there are those territory that are not state but belong to the US also. Like this one is Virgin Islands, and there's also Puerto Rico here, and there are 4 more somewhere. DC មិន state មួយទេប៉ុន្តែគឺជា capital របស់ United States បដោយ territory of American Samoa.
That was something a lot of point out. And in it?
Some beautiful on the left, yes. There's some beautiful formation. We're here to see the profile view.
Of George. Come west.
Yes, profile view, only one person. Only George Washington on the side here. Okay, we're ready to go to Crazy Horse.
Spot it. Are you George?